Question 1. Calculate the molality and mole fraction of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid CH3COOH in 75 grams of benzene. Question 2. Calculate the mole fraction of ethylene glycol C2H6O2 and water in a solution containing 20% of C2H6O2 by mass. Question 3. Find the molarity and molality of a 15% solution of H2SO4. Density of H2SO4 equals 1.020 grams cubic cm. Atomic mass H equals 1, O equals 16, S equals 32 AMU. Question 4. Calculate the molality of a sulphuric acid solution in which the mole fraction of water is 0.85. Question 5. What volume of 95% sulphuric acid density equals 1.85 grams cubic cm, and what mass of water must be taken to prepare 100 cubic cm of 15% solution of sulphuric acid density equals 1.10 grams cubic cm? Question 6. Molarity of H2SO4 is 0.8 and its density is 1.06 grams cubic cm. What will be its concentration in terms of molality and mole fraction? Question 7. The percentage composition by weight of a solution is 45% of by, 15% Y, 40% Z. Calculate the mole fraction of each component of the solution. Molecular mass of X equals 18, Y equals 60, Z equals 60. Question 8. Concentrated sulphuric acid has a density of 1.9 grams per milliliter and is 99% H2SO4 by weight. Calculate the molarity of H2SO4 in this acid. Question 9. 18 grams glucose, molar mass 180 grams per mole, is present in 500 centimeters cube of its aqueous solution. What is the molarity of the solution? What additional data is required if the molality of the solution is also required to be calculated? Question 10 is to 4.0 grams of NaOH is contained in 1 deciliter of a solution. Calculate the molarity of NaOH. You can also download the question paper from the link given below in description. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and latest updates.